What's up? It's Superior Shelby here, coming to y'all with a new hot product from Clean It Right Auto, Bling Bling Aluminum Acid Wheel Cleaner. Yes, this is gonna get all of your rims super clean. And look at the label. It looks super cute. And rest in peace, Mario. This is my good friend here. This is his truck, so rest in peace. So I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. So all we gotta do is super simple, is spray it down. Whew. Now let's spray it. You guys, so as you can see, the after from before, my rim was a bit dirty, but super easy. If you want this particular product, the Bling Bling Aluminum Acid Wheel Cleaner, which is super cool here, rest in peace Mario. Like I said, this is my homeboy's truck. And if you want any other Clean It Right Auto Care products, make sure you visit cleanmyrims.com or follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.